Trust Liquid Life to me means that you're going to trust us with the entire process. So you're going to trust us to book your condo at the right time for the right price. You're going to trust us to manage your condo and get the right people in there, and to make sure we're cleaning the dirty things and fixing the broken things.
We're going to set proper expectations up front about what you can and cannot expect from us. And we're going to continue to follow through on what we say that we're going to do.
Most of our owners have done something right in life to own a $800,000, $1 million second home investment. They should be able to trust whatever property management company they come to handle that for them and not have to micromanage someone. We have such low churn rate for our homeowners. I think it's less than 2%, which is astoundingly low.
We have been with Liquid Life for 10 or more years now. There's just, I feel like, been a trust that's grown between us because they've always done what they've promised, taken care of the situation. And it's just that loyalty that grows over time.
I think the biggest part of owners trusting us comes through just how transparent we are with everything. I think letting them know how things are going on such a regular basis helps them really understand what we're doing with their property and why they can trust us.
I trust Liquid Life a lot because they do what they say they're going to do. I mean, I get statements every month. I've even told Liquid Life, you don't need to call me if you need to do something to my condo, just do it. And you have to have trust in somebody doing that. I didn't with the people that I had before, but I do now.
Our team motto is, will that create trust with an owner? Then do it. We want them to hear from us, not just for the bad. We also want them to hear from us when it's a good check-in. Someone was in your unit today, this is what we saw, this is what we fixed, this is what we recommend. Maybe you take a look at in the off season. That means everything. Anytime we can close a loop with an owner, just anything to create trust with an owner, that's a win for us every day.
Trust in any business is everything. And we really, really trust the leadership and the employees of Liquid Life. They have come through time and time again. When they tell us they're going to do something, they do it. They meet with us, they go over it, they share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and they always have a plan.
They're trusting us to be a steward of their assets and that we're going to maximize the return on their investments.
Marketing is part of establishing the first bit of trust with the owners. When they come onto our program, we work with the owner relations team, and we're part of that very beginning and making sure we're doing everything that we can to build their listing and to promote their property in the way that provides them a level of service that they weren't getting before.
Trust comes from, here you've got a large investment. We fully trust Liquid Life in terms of knowing that they're going to satisfy our guests, knowing that they're going to take care of our unit, and knowing that they just have our backs when we're not here.
I stay here a lot, and when I leave, I don't worry about the place.
Every day, someone's buying a property and they don't live here. And when people buy that property and we meet them and we agree to manage it for them, they're driving away trusting us. And you earn that trust by doing the right thing over and over and over again. And that means that you earn that trust by having the right people doing the right jobs.
You know, it's a big deal because I'm in Nashville, they're down there. I rely on them and they love the house the way I love it. And that's all I can ask for.